Railway transport. Railways are the other important mode of land transport. They are very useful to carry heavy goods and large number of passengers over a long distance. They play a vital role in the development of agriculture, industry and economy of India. They help to expand trade and tourism. In India, the railways were constructed during the British period for convenient transport of raw materials and the movement of army from one place to another. The first railway line was laid between Bombay and Thane in 1853, followed by Kolkata to Raniganj, 1854, Chennai to Arkanam, 1864. Then gradually developed in other parts of the country. Railways form the largest public sector undertaking in India. It have a network of about 7,031 stations and a length of 64,015 kilometers. The railways are divided into 16 zones for the purpose of efficient management. Many steps are taken to provide comfortable and safe railway travel. Pipelines. They are a new mode of land transport. Pipelines are laid under the earth's surface. They are mostly used to transport crude oil from oil field to refineries, natural gas and mineral slurry. The total length of pipelines in India is 35,676 kilometers.